Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Larissa L and I've been a makeup artist for 10 years. Today I'm very excited to review the new Patrick Ta Duo Major Dimension eyeshadows. Now the price is a little bit expensive, but you are getting two eyeshadows. The colors I have today are Talk to My Team and Still at the Club. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's test the formula on these and see if they really are worth the price. This one is called Still at the Club. The bottom is like this beautiful coppery purple, and then this is like this beautiful plummy mauve. I think I'm going to use this one on my eyes today. All I have are concealer and bronzer on. The second eyeshadow duo that I had, which is a super pretty, it's like yellow, but it's coming off pink on camera. It's almost like a duochrome. And then the top is like a champagne pink with a little gold in it. So let's go ahead and swatch these. I think that's pretty. So that's what that one swatched like. And let's do the bottom. They do feel a little bit dry compared to like a Charlotte Tilbury quad. So something like the Hypnotizing Pop Shops. Let me just open that one there. And I'm actually going to swatch that one. It's a different finish, but it feels a little bit more creamier than the Patrick Ta. But for the price, you're actually getting more in the Patrick Ta than you would a singular eyeshadow from Charlotte Tilbury. Now you're getting 4 grams of product total in these Patrick Ta duos, which is a lot more than a singular eyeshadow. Usually a singular eyeshadow is probably 2 to 2.5 or less per singular eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to swatch Talk to My Team. So the first color here. Oh, that's pretty. And then the second color, which is looking way more pink, but also like a green and a gold all together. So that's what those two look like. Now I want to apply the Still at the Club to my eyes. I'm going to apply this one on this eye and then the lighter one on this eye. I'm going to go in with this BK 212 brush, kind of just diffuse the edges a little bit, see how it does with the brush. And there's like barely any fallout. Now this one has micro glitter in it, but it's like this beautiful kind of mauvey, deep, rich brown. I'm going to go in with the other color. This one's got a lot more glitter to it, so let's see if there's more fallout with this one. Again, I'm going to go in the same blending brush and just blend that out. It's almost like it's a microscopic pearl. So it's like a shimmery pearl. It's not really a glitter. But now let's go ahead and add some mascara just to give it like the full effect. This is the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara. And I've kind of been loving this lately. Well, not kind of. I've been loving this lately. So there is a little bit of fallout more from the lighter shade than the darker shade. But overall, I love both of these colors. And I think it's just such a pretty, pretty eyeshadow duo. I do wish it felt a little bit more creamier to apply, but I guess that is because there is no filler. Alright, so my final thoughts on if the Patrick Ta Multidimensional Duo eyeshadows are really worth the $42 price tag. Up front, I'm going to say yes. And I'm going to give you the reasons why I'm going to say yes. Because unlike a singular $25 eyeshadow, you're only getting probably about 2 grams of product in the luxury market for a singular eyeshadow. These ones you are getting 4 grams of product, so almost double the amount of product for a little less than half the price of what it would cost for some brands to buy 2 singulars versus 1 duo. And the fact that you are getting 100% pearl pigment in this with no filler is another additive to why it's so pricey, especially in the luxury markets. And the packaging kind of justifies that, but it's still kept under the $50 mark. I think if you went over the $50 mark, then that's kind of where it would be a little bit more too expensive. But for what you're getting, the amount of product, the formulation, the color range, the actual performance of the product. I agree with Patrick on this one. I think that the pricing is actually fair for the market value of what you are getting. Anyways, let me know if you guys agree or disagree in the comments, if you've tried these shadows and what you think, and if you have any recommendations. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.